Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Clip Your English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Ethan. Thanks for being here.
So, today we're talking about something important. It's about how to talk about tomorrow, or really anything in the future.
Yeah. Most people think they just need will for everything, but that's not quite right.
Exactly. Here's a question. What do most learners say when they talk about tomorrow?
Usually something like, I will go to the gym tomorrow, or I will meet my friend tomorrow.
Right. And it's not wrong, but it doesn't sound natural.
Native speakers don't really talk like that.
Nope. It sounds a bit stiff, like you're reading from a textbook.
So today, we'll show you the way real English speakers do it.
By the end, you'll know which form to use. You'll sound way more natural, and trust me, once you learn this, your English will sound so much better.
All right, let's start with the big truth about future tense.
Ooh, I like it. What's the big truth?
Here it is. In English, we don't just use one future form. We have several different ways. Each one means something a little different.
Right, it's not just will all the time. The form you choose tells people something. Like, is it a plan, a schedule, a quick decision, a prediction?
Exactly. If you use the wrong form, people can still understand you, but it might sound weird.
Yeah, like if someone said, I will meet you at the coffee shop tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's correct, but it sounds like you just decided right now, not like it's already planned.
Right. So today, we'll break down the different forms. We'll show you when to use each one. Sound good?
It sounds perfect. Let's do it. Okay, future form number 1. This is probably the most common for plans. It's going to.
Yeah. I'm going to, she's going to, they're going to. We use this for plans or intentions, plans we've already decided.
Right. So if I have already decided to clean my apartment tomorrow, I would say, I'm going to clean my apartment tomorrow.
Perfect. The key word here is already decided. You're not making the decision now. You made it before, maybe yesterday or this morning.
Exactly. Let me give another example. Let's say I'm planning to visit my cousin next week. I would say, I'm going to visit my cousin next week.
Nice. And you can also use going to for predictions based on evidence. Like, if you see dark clouds in the sky, you might say, it's going to rain.
Ooh, yeah. You can see the evidence, the clouds. So you're predicting based on that.
Right. But for now, just remember this. If you're talking about a plan or intention you've already decided, use going to.
Got it. So, to recap, I'm going to study English tonight. She's going to start a new job next month. We're going to watch a movie later.
Perfect. Those all sound natural. All right, let's move to the next one.
Okay, so future form number 2. This one is super important, but a lot of learners don't know about it. It's the present continuous for future arrangements.
Wait, present continuous? Like I am doing or I am going?
Exactly. But we use it to talk about the future when we have a confirmed arrangement. Usually, there's a specific time and place involved.
Ah, okay. So like, if I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow at 10 a.m., I would say, I'm meeting my team tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Yes, that's perfect. And notice how it sounds more concrete more real than just saying, I'm going to meet my team.
Right, because when you say, I'm meeting, it sounds like it's already arranged, like you've confirmed the time and place.
Exactly. So here are some more examples. I'm having dinner with my parents tonight. We are flying to Tokyo next Friday. She's seeing the doctor tomorrow afternoon.
Nice. And you know what? Native speakers use this form all the time for future plans. It's one of the most common ways we talk about the future.
Yeah, definitely. So if you want to sound more natural, start using the present continuous for your confirmed arrangements.
Okay, so just to make sure everyone's clear, if it's a confirmed plan with a specific time or place, use the present continuous. I'm meeting, I'm having, I'm flying.
Exactly. All right, let's move on to will.
All right, so now let's talk about will. This is the one that everyone learns first, but they usually use it too much.
Yeah, I think that's because textbooks teach will as the main future form, but in real English, we actually use it less often than you'd think.
Right. So when do we use will?
Well, we use it for three main situations. First, quick decisions. Decisions you're making right now, in the moment.
Okay. So, like, if someone says, "Can you help me with this?" and I decide right then, I'd say, "Sure, I'll help you."
Exactly. You didn't plan it before. You're deciding now. So you use will.
Got it. What's the second situation?
Promises. If you're making a promise, you use will. Like, I'll call you tomorrow, or I'll finish the report by Friday.
Nice. And the third one?
Predictions, especially when you're just guessing or giving your opinion. Like, I think it'll be sunny tomorrow, or she'll probably like this movie.
Ah, okay. So it's more about what you think will happen, not what you've planned.
Right. So here's the big mistake learners make. They say, I will visit my cousin tomorrow when they've already planned it. But that sounds like you just decided now, which is weird.
Yeah, it's better to say, I'm going to visit my cousin tomorrow, or I'm visiting my cousin tomorrow.
Exactly. Save will for spontaneous decisions, promises, and predictions.
Got it. Okay, I think people are starting to see the difference now.
All right, so here's one that surprises a lot of people. We can actually use the simple present tense to talk about the future.
Wait, really? Like, I go or she leaves?
Yep, but we only use it for fixed schedules or timetables, like things that are officially scheduled and don't change.
Okay, so like a flight schedule.
Exactly. So if your flight is tomorrow morning, you'd say, my flight leaves at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Ooh, interesting. So you don't say, my flight will leave or my flight is going to leave.
Nope. For scheduled events, we use the simple present. It makes you sound more advanced and natural.
Nice. So, like, the class starts at 10 a.m., the train arrives at 6 p.m., the store opens tomorrow morning.
Perfect. Those all sound great. And this works for any official schedule, trains, classes, meetings, store hours, anything like that.
Got it. So if it's on a timetable or official schedule, use the simple present.
Exactly. All right, let's move on to the last one.
Okay, so this last one is a little different. It's be about to. And we use this when something is going to happen very, very soon.
Yeah, like right now, in the next few seconds or minutes.
Right. So if you're leaving your house right now, you might say, I'm about to leave.
Or if a movie is starting in 1 minute, you'd say, the movie is about to start.
Exactly. So this isn't really for tomorrow, it's more for the immediate future. But it's good to know because native speakers use it a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Just remember, about to means it's happening very soon.
Got it. Okay, so now we've covered all the main future forms. Let's help people figure out which one to use.
All right, so let's make this really simple. Here's a quick way to decide which future form to use.
Ooh, I like this. Okay, go ahead.
All right, first question. Have you already decided your plan?
If yes, use going to.
Right. Second question. Is it a confirmed arrangement with a time and place?
If yes, use the present continuous.
Exactly. Third question. Are you making a spontaneous decision right now?
If yes, use will.
Perfect. Fourth question. Is it a fixed schedule or timetable?
If yes, use the simple present.
And last question. Is it happening in the next few seconds or minutes?
If yes, use about to.
Exactly. So just ask yourself those questions and you'll know which form to use.
Nice. That's a really clear way to think about it.
Okay, so now let's talk about some common mistakes that learners make with future tense.
All right, what's the first one?
The biggest mistake is using will for everything. Like, I will go shopping tomorrow. I will meet my friend tomorrow. I will study tonight.
Yeah, and it's not wrong, but it sounds unnatural. Native speakers don't talk like that.
Right. If it's a plan, use going to or the present continuous. Save will for spontaneous decisions and predictions.
Got it. What's the next mistake?
Mixing up schedule tenses, like saying, my flight will leave tomorrow, instead of my flight leaves tomorrow.
Yeah, for schedules, always use the simple present.
Exactly. And another mistake is forgetting time expressions, like just saying, I'm going to the gym, without saying tomorrow or later.
Right, time expressions help make your meaning clear.
And one more thing, some learners say, I will gonna go, which is completely wrong. You can't combine will and going to.
Oh, wow, yeah. It's either I will go or I'm going to go, but never both together.
Exactly. So just watch out for those mistakes and you'll sound much better.
All right, so let's do some quick practice. I'll give you a sentence that sounds a little awkward, and Mia will improve it. Sound good?
Sounds great. Let's do it.
Okay, first one. Tomorrow, I will meet my friend at the coffee shop.
That sounds a bit unnatural. Better would be, I'm meeting my friend at the coffee shop tomorrow.
Perfect, because it's a confirmed arrangement, right?
Exactly. All right, next one.
Okay, here's another one. I will go shopping tomorrow morning.
If it's a plan you've already decided, I'd say, I'm going to go shopping tomorrow morning.
Nice. And if it's a confirmed arrangement with a specific time, you could also say, I'm going shopping tomorrow morning at 10.
Exactly. All right, one more.
Sure. The movie will start at 8 p.m.
Okay. Since it's a fixed schedule, it should be, the movie starts at 8 p.m.
Perfect. See how much more natural that sounds?
Yeah, definitely. So, everyone listening, try to think about your own sentences and see if you can improve them using these forms.
All right, we've covered a lot today. You now know 5 different ways to talk about the future and when to use each one.
Yeah, honestly, this will make a huge difference. Your English will sound way more natural.
So here's what we want you to do. In the comments below, tell us your plan for tomorrow. Use the correct future tense.
Yeah, like, I'm meeting my friend for lunch, or I'm going to study English for an hour.
Exactly. We'll read your comments. We'll let you know if you're using the right form.
Okay, quick recap. Today we learned 5 ways to talk about the future.
First, going to for plans you've already decided.
Second, present continuous for confirmed arrangements with time and place.
Third, will for spontaneous decisions, promises, and predictions.
Fourth, simple present for fixed schedules like flights and classes.
And fifth, be about to for things happening very soon.
So, which one surprised you most? Let us know in the comments.
And if this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. We've got more English lessons coming every week.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.